only with this video, imeto makana share button. My onyokumita enyoputena Timothy of Ebu. Mata Timothy of Ebu abego na my table. Because we can see and we respect for people. He's a man I've always respected, but Emalugo, sometimes when you respect people and they don't want to respect another, you withdraw that respect a bit. Abirami Kono, mine is always to remind you exactly what you have forgotten, in case if you don't know. Now, Timothy of Ebu referred to Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a layman simply because he is not an ordained Catholic priest. He referred to him as a layman. Let me read out this comment because he was reacting to the jargons, that content creator all in the name of a priest. Look, let me tell you, as a priest, if you fail to respect Evangelist Ebuka Obi as an ordained prophet of God, I hold even zero respect for you. I don't have. I have told you people, outside God, it is because of God that we respect you people and call you fathers, and call you pastors, and call you prophet. Remove God. You as a man, achieve even achieve, or when achieve, you may not be the kind of man I even admire. But that respect I need all of you, not minding the denomination is because of God who we respect and worship. That is why we give you people that respect. But if you want to claim that as a man of God now that you are more special than the other person because of one nonsense or the other, we will put you people in the places Ebono. That is even one of the reasons why I respect Timothy of Ebu. But since he has proven to be one among the rest, we will also place him where he belongs. Now, he was reacting to jargons that content creator Father Kelvin Ugu Delu. He was reacting to that jargon or reacting to comment on Evangelist Ebuka Obi homemade. Look at if Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So the content creator now try now the Zionite that they should learn the business and investment skills of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That blah 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 blah. Because Evangelist Ebuka Obi Merife, some of them who has been in ministry for years and ages could not do. The same thing Hajuena a worship Mbaka, Father Mbaka, no Kwarafa, you got all this one, where this one. The same thing, because they can only count 1, 2, 3. But in the case of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, we can count up to 10 or 15. Now, what now, watch his comment, Timothy of Ebu. Mark Martins that wrote the trash and compared Mr. Ebuka Obi, not prophet or evangelist, but Mr. Ebuka Obi with Reverend Father Kelvin Ugu is a big FOOL. And Obulo Okuko Promas, so he truly expects a Catholic priest to build multiple hotels in order to compete with a layman. Layman is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Honestly, many that go to some of these religious centers have lost their reasoning faculties and now fill their brains with garbage and chokologonokoneku. Seriously. Now, he referred to Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a mister, not even that title of evangelist or prophet. Now, it seems like some of you people, because I have noticed that all the people who fight Evangelist Ebuka Obi within the Christian faith are all Catholics. And you people should be ashamed of yourself, honestly. Even some of you who are old enough to have sense to caution these younger ones are even behaving like kids and don't matter. Now, Timothy of Ebu, so shameful of you. You have been moving around in the comment sections of people, constituting nuisance. You broke rules the moment. You broke rules the moment. If a tujel Father Mbaka, you felt he is no immunity, that nobody can talk to him or caution him. But all of you come all out, calling out Evangelist Ebuka Obi in different ways and means. Now, let me tell you, that Reverend Father in the Catholic Church may be your God, but people like us are not Catholics. If you refer to Evangelist Ebuka Obi because he is not an ordained Catholic priest, I want to let you know that you can, the Catholic because we belong to the same denomination. I'm an Anglican. So if you say Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a minister and a layman because he is not ordained under Catholic faith, how do you want me to see Father Kelvin Ugwu, who is not an Anglican priest? I'm asking you, how do you want me to see Father Mbaka because he's not an Anglican priest? All around. A Reverend Father. No, now, immunity in Kenya Kaligo. Some of you will even come out to argue that Roman Catholic is the original, whatever. Look, let me tell you, all these things, you guys will be insulting yourself more. I want to tell you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi got for some of you in ministry, achieve so many things and numerous things that some of you could not achieve. It is something that is worthy of emulation. Let me tell you why it is something that is worthy of emulation. There was a time in the Anglican Church, the church are now also in their different parishes. Now they meet up with the obligation so that at the end of the day, church project. Those days were the time every church have handle Lagos in the township a opportunity where is Diego. It was something our Anglican churches from Pentecostal churches. I'm from the likes of Redeem and the Winners Fund. Anglican church were how to invest so that church can raise money to do their project and do whatever thing actually without bothering those people who come to church to come and worship. Anglican churches were motel. Bishop Ndubisi Obi of Nnewi Diocese where look the thing when they would get to extra mile now. That Anglican Diocese of Nnewi will my filling station, shawarma stand, car wash, ICT center, and a lot of things. The Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, Motakwe, that is why I had you Catcom. So now, if not one, the highest printing press in Nnewi and the environment, Catcom. You can only meet printing press, mash up with that one when you go to audition. You see, how when Immaculate Heart, Immaculate Hospital, about so that the cheapest place in your lab, Nnewi, and the hospital. Anglican Diocese of Nnewi, where the Sun Hospital, Akudo, church where motel from Pentecostal churches where open way places they can generate money to run their activities and also give back to the society. It is not pride. A motaye. So some of you can as well learn that same thing when they criticize. Maybe Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If you are comparing a layman with Evangelist Ebuka Obi because no branch of ministry, headquarters here to Ngobala, Lueba, Bepesiwa schools. Now, what happened to people like Father Mbaka? You got water. Where a lot of things everybody generate. Is he not a Reverend Father? Is he a layman? What happened to Father Ede? Father Ede Weru, Madonna University, Madonna Melele Nantotwe, or a layman called jealousy will make you to be dancing in the tune. Before you know it, you are already baloto na main road. Now you want to know. It is people who are watching you that will be seeing that you are naked. But you don't know. You are gradually reducing yourself to chaff. A lot of people who respect you are now insulting you because of what you are now bringing to the table. I have warned you people to say your challenge should be Matthias and his cohort. They are the people who are pouring sand into the Garion. But it seems like not Evangelist Ebuka Obi with the only Iroko pushing on from Igbo. Some of you should be ashamed of yourself. Fadugo is a nobody compared to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Oshonya Pataka Hapo, Evangelist Ebuka Obi with millions of people who are loyal to him. More than how many parishes? In fact, more than Mokmifine Mpoye Onomoya Adowa. Father, who knows him? Who knows him? He's only a Catholic priest in a parish. It's a parish here, a Wojena parish also. Over the time, they forget about him. Evangelist Ebuka Obi built to go an everlasting legacy. An everlasting legacy. More powerful than some of your bishops. That's way more followers. People, in fact, he has taken more people to God more than some of your bishops. Since you want to call him a layman because he's not an ordained priest in the Catholic Church, he's now a layman. So the rest of our Anglican priests, Anglican bishops, in the Sabbath, in the Methodist Church, they are also regard who are as layman because they are not ordained. Your Catholic priest will have the most how they would number one heavenly candidate. You people are taking this thing to another level. You are taking this to another level. You people should even be ashamed of yourself. A material that came out from Catholic Church that you guys should be celebrating. Now, no disgrace. Look at, you can never see Anglicans behaving in such a manner. How many times came for the Anglican Church or Anglican priest or even Anglican bishop or put an exchange of words to see men on Facebook? Every product to see from Anglican Church, we value them. We value them. Yes, we have people like Evangelist Ebuka Obi in Anglican Church, and we respect them. We value them because we know how much they have made people to turn to God. We know that these people are also part of the reason why people still see reason to go to church. Yes, otherwise, church will be reduced to a social club where people just gather for one purpose or the other, enjoy themselves, and go back home. These people are ndekaneme ka people for na church kanaganiru. People like Father Mbaka made because of Naguru and Mapafe. Ndedo ka Father Okunerere. Ndedo ke Ebube Monso. Ndedo ke Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ndedo ka Kelafa Nkano na Newini Nejenobi. Those people who they faith in the mother do renewed in the Catholic Church. Otherwise, before the mother would you know if they a Catholic Church. But these people the mother Hamal Nike on a Catholic Church. They brought more people together into Catholic Church than you can ever imagine. So when next you want to come out to call anybody a layman, remember that all of us are not Catholics. All of us are not Catholic, and you are not anywhere in anywhere qualified to call anybody a layman. Otherwise, in Goma Yawoshaf, if Evangelist Ebuka Obi in his level in ministry can be referred to a layman by you, Ngoma Yawoshaf, because you are also claiming to be a minister. So who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You are a chaff for them. If you will chaff, because the last time I checked, you are not even ordained. So if you will chaff, if you can refer to somebody in the category of Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a layman, don't okay, Emmanuel, nobody. We shouldn't even regard you. When we see you, we should just push you aside and pass. Some of you okay and don't touch her because you are good as a penny Bible. Go your form. All jealousy with any moon. Jealousy. When you reduce some of you, they behave like kids and the omas on Facebook because you want to fight a grace that is bigger than you. The last time I checked, you are not anywhere in the category of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Or but na Catholic Church na hama hundenya na ya de ekwu and don't denya na ekwu kanya na fa na ekwu. Somebody like Father Kelvin Ugu who a nobody to wear Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and that is why he cannot respond to him. Ocho ndenya na ekwu one day toka Father Mbakanya na ha na ekwu. Okunere and the rest of them. Nde carry bishop, carry a parish, carry a diocese. Ondo kulunya na hipu. You are not anywhere near to in battle when into one shadow of Father Kelvin. Nobody guy ye be there because if you show you what are Mpare na uoberu kuka follow. I will say it again. aka m bụkwa nwanne unu Ezugo onye na-ekwu ka o si dụ. Daalụ.